Tinogamuchira ine mfaro pano paHarare Networks pamunenge muchipiwa nhau dziri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Totenda nokuuya kwese kwamaita kuti munge muchitinzwa. Don't forget to subscribe and support our YouTube channel. Right, tinesusu nyaya yekubviswa kwepabasa kwaMai Chiwenga. Patirikuona isu kuti position yavo iri kunzi iyo pane mazuva mashomanani asara kuti vange vachizobviswa paposition yavo yavanga vari kumilitary intelligent. Right, tiri papo tinoona isusu kuti it seems like VP Chiwenga's camp yakatargetwa neZANU-PF yava Mnangagwa pane ino nguva, nekuti vanenge vane fungidziro yekuti Mai Chiwenga vakaramba vari military vanogona kuzopandukira bato reZANU-PF. Right, saka ndoyo imwe nyaya yatinayo pana paHarare Networks. Kana muri vatsva musakanganwe kusubscribe mukuteerera kwamuchange muchiita. A major shake-up within Zimbabwean security establishment is reportedly affecting individual linked to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as changes within the military and intelligence structures continue to unfold. Sources say the development involve senior intelligence figure Tafumanei, whose career has been closely tied to Zimbabwe's military and security institution for decades. Tafumanei served in the Zimbabwe National Army until 2004, during which time he worked directly in the office of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, when the latter was the army commander. At the time, Chiwenga was one of our most influential figure in the military hierarchy. Chiwenga later rose to become commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces from 2003 to 2017. His tenure culminated in dramatic military intervention that removed long-time leader Robert Mugabe from power and paved the way for the rise of current President Emmerson Mnangagwa. After leaving the army, Tafumanei transitioned into intelligent work between 2005 and 2009. He served as the Assistant Director within the Central Intelligence Organization CIO from 2009 to 2014. He held the position of Principal Director in the Ministry of Presidential Affairs under Minister Didmas Mutasa. During the same period, Tafumanei was also appointed the Permanent Secretary in the ministry responsible for the welfare of war veterans, war collaborators, former political detainees, and restrictees. Following the political transition in 2017, he returned to CIO, where he was appointed co-deputy director general, placing him among the senior leadership within Zimbabwe's intelligence structure. Political analysts say Tafumanei also played a notable role in the country's 2023 general election, which were won by President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Reports suggest that the controversial group for Forever Association Zimbabwe, FAZ, widely believed to have links to the intelligence service, played a significant role in supporting the ruling party's campaign during that election. The latest military and security sector changes are now raising question about the shifting balance of power within Zimbabwe's political and security establishment. Observers say the shakeup could have a wider implication for key figures connected to both the military and intelligence networks that have shaped the country politics over the past 2 decades. Stay tuned for more news. Zvakare dzimwe dziri kuya muri papana paHarare Networks.